Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Loba in Apex Legends. Loba's tactical ability, Burglar's best friend, is your primary tool for repositioning. Simply throw your jump drive bracelet to instantly teleport to its landing spot. This is perfect for escaping tricky situations, reaching elevated positions, or surprising opponents. Remember, you are briefly vulnerable after teleporting, so always aim for cover. The ability has a 25-second cooldown, so use it wisely. Next, let's talk about Loba's powerful ultimate, the Black Market Boutique. Place your staff to create a portable shop, allowing you and your teammates to grab 2 items each, plus unlimited ammunition, from a wide area of 112.5 meters. This ultimate starts with 50% charge, meaning you can deploy it just 1 minute into a match. Always remember to collapse your market after use to deny enemies access to your hard-earned loot. Loba's passive ability, Eye for Quality, is incredibly useful for early game and beyond. It allows you to see epic and legendary loot through walls within a generous 112.5-meter radius. Use this to quickly identify valuable gear for yourself and your team. Ping these high-tier items for your squad, ensuring everyone is well-equipped. This passive can also subtly indicate if an area has been recently looted by enemies, providing valuable intel. Mastering Loba involves strategic positioning and smart looting. When using your tactical, try to combine it with slides or jumps to maintain momentum and surprise enemies. During intense firefights, deploy your black market behind cover for quick armor swaps, saving precious healing time. Always use your passive to scout for unlooted areas, guiding your team's rotations. Practice your bracelet throws to become proficient at reaching difficult spots and outmaneuvering opponents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.